how to use Clickbank and earn a monthly income that most people dream about. Clickbank affiliate marketing is very popular among new and seasoned affiliate marketers, and for good reason. Clickbank is the most popular affiliate product site, home to thousands of digital products available to promote in minutes. Signing up for Clickbank takes just a minute, and getting access to a slew of products varying in many different niches is just a click away. The most noticeable feature of Clickbank is their hands-off approach to affiliate marketing. They handle the order processing, customer support, affiliate payments, and refunds, if they occur. Clickbank really does make it easy to start making money online. Once signed up, it's just a matter of using their intuitive built-in search to find the products you're interested in promoting. Or, you can browse by category if you choose. From there, getting your affiliate links for your products is just a couple of clicks away. You can even add your own unique tracking ID to each affiliate link so that you can track the performance of your links. Clickbank also offers analytics data to check the performance across all links so you can fine-tune your marketing efforts. Most products you'll find on Clickbank provide marketing materials to aid you in your marketing efforts. From banners, design ads, classified ads and more, you have everything you need to start making money online with Clickbank. Clickbank affiliate marketing truly is one of the easiest ways to get started making money online. It's no wonder why so many people choose this route. It's easy, and most importantly, it's free. Do yourself a favor and give Clickbank a try today. Once you see how easy it is, you'll wish you had signed up sooner. Want to start off right with Clickbank, and make an amazing monthly commission income? Check this website out today called CB University. You will be glad you did. Click the link below this video now.